secret to shining pans, and much more. To begin today's tip, let's use disinfectant. Disinfectant can help give pans shine due to its chemical components. Some disinfectants contain cleaning agents, such as detergents or mild abrasive substances, which help remove dirt, grease, and stains from surfaces. Additionally, many disinfectants contain chemicals that have solubilizing properties, meaning they help dissolve and remove substances that can cause opacity or stains on pans. Next, let's use lemon. Lemon is a natural ingredient that can help give pans shine due to its acidic properties. This acidity can help loosen and remove stains, dirt, and mineral deposits from pan surfaces. In addition to its acidity, lemon contains natural cleaning substances that can help remove grease and dirt from pans. Now, add vinegar. Vinegar is primarily composed of acetic acid, which is a mild acid. This acid helps loosen and dissolve stains, mineral deposits, and food residues from pan surfaces. The acetic acid in vinegar also has degreasing properties, meaning it can help remove grease and dirt from pans. Finally, let's finish with water to help dilute the other ingredients. Mixing lemon, vinegar, and disinfectant can help clean pans for several reasons. By combining these ingredients, you are combining their cleaning properties, which can increase cleaning effectiveness. While lemon and vinegar tackle dirt and stains, disinfectant can help disinfect surfaces, resulting in clean and sanitized pans. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time.